Good day, guys. This is Igbo TV. Now, what I'm about to share with you is a very, very important lesson. Make sure you share it. Like my Facebook page at Igbo TV. Subscribe to my YouTube channel at Igbo TV 10. And guys, I wonder why some parents will give birth to their children. Some parents from Igbo land will give birth to their children in abroad. You will not bring them home to learn their mother's tongue and study everything about their homeland. You will wait till they are of age. And some of you or most of us knows that in abroad you cannot beat your children. If you do that, the police will arrest you. Just look at the effect. In fact, enough of the talk. Just watch this video and make sure you share. Watch this video.
Oh, what do that?
What are you doing?
What play upstairs?
No, let's play. Play and chop. Now, what you Nasabi? How do you look me now?
Surprise!
What is it?
You guys are traveling.
Ooh, here.
Guess where you're traveling to?
Australia? Yeah.
No.
Japan?
Yeah.
You guys are going to Nigeria.
Oh.
Why? What is oh? So you guys are going to Nigeria. You guys are going to complete your studies there. You'll be staying with grandma. We want you guys to learn our culture, our language, okay, and get better. Okay?
No, Mom. The last time I went to Nigeria, I had so much mosquito bites on me, and plus, Mom, I'm 13 years old, and in 2 years' time, I'll be 15 and be able to work in Canada and driving down the roads. And plus, the last time we went to Nigeria, you left David there. So, hell no, Mom. I'm sorry, but I'm not going back to Nigeria.
How come back here? I'm not finished. Come here.
You want to teach them? He's walking out of me.
What do you mean? That's
How can you put it here?
That was a BSc cuisine. Eh? Next time if I'm talking to you, don't walk out.
But Mom,
David say you're happy you're going.
no. But Mom, Sito's right. In Nigeria, the light turns off every second, and there's no Tim Hortons. Plus, there's hawkers saying, "Gala, gala, gala, buy pure water." I'm not going back there.
Ha! No public good.
And I think what is the good about the nobody? What is the good about the nobody? What is good? What is wrong with the Nigeria for crying out loud?
There is no Tim Hortons. There is KFC. Eh? If you get there, you make new friends.
But still, we prefer.
We already made so much friends in Canada. I now have to make new ones in
Yes.
Nigeria?
Yes, you make new ones in Nigeria. Even I wanted you guys to learn farming. Farming is good. In case if there is
I didn't want to be a job where you farm.
Hey, you don't have to be a farmer. I'm not saying you're a farmer. But in case if there's hunger strike, you can.
You don't have to worry about that. I'll be rich.
Never anything because.
You asking me them and you asking me them continue beating them.
Did I say you are poor? Did I ever say you and your brother you poor? Did I say you are poor? Why are you rolling your eyes up? You see this Nigeria, you will go there. You have a lot to learn. You will go. After you talking to you even walked away from me. Huh? Nigeria is blessed. There's a lot to learn there.
The bush? That place is not a place to learn.
It's not
There's
the open
kidnappers
land.
and there's people that sell stuff and hookers.
Is people not living there?
Yeah, but we live in Regina and Canada.
And we're Canadians.
Where are you from?
Why you telling me to be hot?
What is wrong with all this now?
Am I spoiling them?
Anything that they have
You people are born Canadian, but you are from Isupuato, Nigeria, Abia State. Okay? I need you to go and learn more about your culture, the language. So that if someone say something you can interpret or say that. Do you know how to speak Igbo now? Eh? Is it that at least can hear?
Do you know how to speak Igbo?
Oh, speak Igbo, David.
Yes.
Okay, what can you say? What and what can you say in Igbo?
By uncle.
But I'm not going to give.
Eh?
I'm done. They are going to Nigeria. Get them and get back your back to everybody's going.
All the time you hitting me pillow. Small thing you are really shouting. Eh? You guys have to go for your own good. So that you guys can stay with grandma. Okay? And learn more. Unless you guys will assure your dad that you're going to put more energy on this language too.
Please,
We can't do anything else. We can do the language. You guys can teach us.
We are not putting more interest in it. Huh? You are not showing
we can just
that you
learn
want to
it
learn.
here. We can just learn it here.
Yeah.
Go and beg your daddy. Go and talk to your daddy. Don't come here. Go and talk to your daddy. He's upstairs. Go, go.